This wasn't a half marathon. This was survival. The road wasn't paved. Filled with elevations, and there is no rhythm and no clean stride. Every step slid back, and every push forward cost double. Wind speed hit 64 kilometers per hour. I wasn't just running, I was running into a wall of sand.
Oh, fuck!
I was breathing dust, eating dust, and fighting for air.
Fuck the weather, what the fuck is that? Oh, fuck. It's very bad, it's very bad. It's really bad.
I held red line for over an hour. That's not pacing, that's war.
Let's go. You know what they say? Let's go.
VO2 max territory. No comfort zone, no flow state, just resistance.
Almost 70 kilometers. Come on, let's go.
And this is where most people slow down. Not because their legs stop working, but because their brain starts negotiating. Why are you doing this? You can't stop now. Nobody would blame you. But that's, for me, the moment that matters. 2 hours and 49 minutes. Not my fastest, but definitely one of the hardest, if not the hardest thing I ever done. Ironman 70.3 doesn't care about ego, it doesn't care about comfort, it cares about durability. And today, I have built some.
هشام شغل جامد قوي يا كابتن هشام الصراحة تحية كبيرة قوي ليك 21K in really tough conditions. You have earned your medal. والأبطال اللي جايين اهو